So when I moved over to New Zealand in 2005, New Plymouth is where I started my journey. And it still holds a little special place in my heart. I have a very special place for Taranaki, which is the mountain, the volcano that dominates the region around here. And I was here last night doing a seminar for the New Zealand Vets Association, the Taranaki branch here, on responding in emergencies, which is kind of like what I did for quite a few years, what I continue to do as a psychologist, as well as a few other things. I took the advantage to come back to New Plymouth when I was invited because I love this place actually. I don't think I could live here full time, it's just a little bit small for me, but I do really like it. And so I've got about an hour this morning just to take a little walk before I get back on the plane, so let me show you around a little bit, or at least around the walkway near the coast.